Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to prove the theorem 8.3 from chapter 8 of class 9th. My personal advice to you is to just first try to solve it yourself, then only watch my video. If you face any difficulty regarding the theorems, just comment me in the comment section. So let's begin. The theorem is that it is given us that AD is equal to BC in a quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to CD and this AB is equal to CD. Okay. Now what we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. So let's begin. Okay. The proof is so simple. Okay. Now let's begin. Proof. First, let me erase this. Okay, the proof is okay. Let's begin. See, first we will prove these two triangles congruent. Then we can prove that this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. By this way we can prove that this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. Let's name these angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry. Now in triangle ADB and triangle BDC, what we have is AB is equal to DC. It is given. Okay, then AD is equal to BC. It is also given, and BD is equal to BD because it is common. So by triple S congruency rule, by triple S triangle ADB is congruent to triangle BDC. Okay, so when these two triangles are congruent, then what we have is angle 1 by CPCT full form is corresponding parts of corresponding triangles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to angle. See, first let us take this pair only. Okay, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. When AB and CD are two lines and this BD, see, AB and CD are two lines and BD is transversal, then these angles are alternate interior angles. See, let us take these two, and this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. Yeah, so hence AB is parallel to CD. Okay, let us mark this to first statement. Our statement 1. See, statement 1 is, I am writing it separately. that AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Now the second thing. Okay, this is the statement 1. Let me write it neatly. Okay. AB is parallel to CD. In the same way, when when angle 4 is equal to angle 2, then AD will be equal to BC. Okay, AD will be parallel to BC. This is statement 2 and this is statement 1. Okay, now from a statement 1 and 2, we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram, hence proved. If you have any doubt regarding the theorems of math and science, the proofs of math and science, you can just comment me in my comment section and I will prove it. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.